Today we will discuss the plane of projection. The plane of projection is used for purpose of projection. This is the plane used for the purpose of projection is called plane of projection. Different types of planes and views obtained. These are following. First one is the reference plane. In general, two planes are employed for projection and are known as reference plane or principal planes of projection, and these planes intersect at right angle to each other. Vertical plane, it is denoted by VP. The plane which is vertical is called vertical plane, and vertical plane is also known as frontal plane. Horizontal plane, it is denoted by HP. The plane which is horizontal but at right angle to the VP is called horizontal plane. Auxiliary plane, that is denoted by AP. Any other plane placed at any angles to the principal planes is called auxiliary plane. Profile plane, it is denoted by PP. The plane which is at right angles to the two principal planes is called auxiliary vertical plane or profile plane. Ground or reference line, the line of intersection of two principal planes of projection, that means VP and HP, is called reference or intersection or ground line, and it is generally denoted by XY line. So here are some few views are there. First one is front view. It is also known as elevation. The projection of the object on vertical plane is known as front view or elevation. Top view, it is also known as plan. The projection of object on the horizontal plane is known as top view or plan. Side view or side elevation or profile view. The projection of the object on an auxiliary plane or profile plane is known as side view, side elevation or profile view. Auxiliary view, the projection of the object on an auxiliary plane is known as auxiliary view. The front view and top view are called the projection of the object. When we speak about projection of an object, we mean that front view and top view. Now this is horizontal plane, that is denoted by HP. These are the vertical plane denoted by VP also, and this is the ground line or reference line. Next is the four quadrants. If horizontal and vertical plane of projection are assumed to extend beyond the line of intersection, four dihedral are formed, which are designed as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now the position of the object placed in any of the quadrant is described. So these are the four quadrant: first, second, third and fourth. In first quadrant, the position of object is above horizontal plane and in front of VP. In second quadrant, the position of object is above horizontal plane and behind vertical plane. In third quadrant, position of object is below horizontal plane and behind vertical plane. And in fourth quadrant, the object lies below horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. So here are the four angles. This is the first angle that varies from 0 to 90 degree. Second angle 90 to 180 degree. Third angle 180 to 270 degree. And fourth angle, that is from 270 to 360 degree. So here is first angle, second angle, third angle and fourth angle. Next is the rotation of planes. When projection of an object have been made on various planes, they are brought together on a single sheet of paper by rotating the planes. The standard practice of rotation of plane is keep vertical plane fixed, never rotate vertical plane projection, always rotate horizontal plane and profile plane away from the object may come in line with the vertical plane. And finally we can say this is the clockwise 90-degree rotation. Now we can see with the help of diagram we try to understand. Horizontal plane that is rotated clockwise 90-degree, rotate horizontal plane clockwise 90-degree downward towards vertical plane. Rotate horizontal plane 90-degree clockwise upward towards vertical plane. So as we know, top view is drawn on the horizontal plane, so always rotate top view which is projected on horizontal plane and never rotate front view which is projected on vertical plane. Now type of orthographic projection. Generally two types of orthographic projections are used in engineering practice. First one is first angle projection and second one is third angle projection. So firstly, what is the location of the object in both angle of projection? In first quadrant, object lies above the horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane, and in third quadrant, object lies below horizontal plane and behind vertical plane. Now secondly, front and top view of the object in both angle of projection. In first quadrant, the object is assumed to be situated in first quadrant and the position of the object can be situated on the horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. So this is plane of projection, object and observer. So generally in first angle projection, the object lies in between the observer and plane of projection, and in third quadrant, the plane of projection lies in between the observer and object. So now we see the projection. When observer seeing the object, its front view will be drawn on plane of projection, that is a rectangle, because we have an object that is a cylinder that can be obtained by rotating the rectangle, that is the example of solid of revolution. So we get its front view as a rectangle. When observer seeing it from top view, so rectangle, this is the front view that is drawn on vertical plane, and when observer seeing it from top, its top view is drawn on horizontal plane, that we obtained a circle. So we can see here front view is plotted on vertical plane and top view is plotted on horizontal plane. But as we discussed in last slide, we rotate the horizontal plane because we need to get the projection on a single sheet of paper. So for that we need to rotate it. So rotate horizontal plane clockwise 90-degree downward towards vertical plane. So we get reference and ground line is it, and front view above reference line and top view below reference line in first quadrant. And when object is in third quadrant, the front view is drawn on plane of projection and top view on horizontal plane. Then rotate horizontal plane clockwise 90° upward towards VP, and we get the top view and front view. So in third quadrant, front view below the reference line and top view above the reference line. So this is the main difference between first quadrant and third quadrant. In first quadrant, front view above the reference line. In third quadrant, front view below reference line. And top view in first quadrant below reference line, and top view in third quadrant above reference line. So today we have learnt about the plane of projection, rotation of plane, first quadrant, third quadrant projections, and various types of plane of projection. Subscribe to get more updates and more video on mechanical topics and Universe 22. You may also like its Facebook page www.facebook.com and Universe 22. You may share among your friends and students. You can ask your query by commenting. Give your suggestions if required. Thank you. Have a nice day.